Okay, so I promise we're going to get better at these day in the life videos, but here's our first one. We have our man Joe right now pumping caramelized onion infused balsamic vinegar from the drums into the jugs. So we infuse it in drums or totes sometimes, depending on the flavor, and then move it down the jug so we can ship it out to our customers. Here we are labeling some bottles for a project. The fact that we're using the manual labor tells me this is probably like a small order, maybe 15 to 30 cases. Otherwise, it would be on our large bottling line platform and getting labeled. Here goes Jordan putting new toner in their label printer. Most of our labels we get outsourced to a big printing company out west, but when it's an emergency order or we really need them or a client has a small batch need, we use our in-house label printing machine. So he's putting toner in, setting the software up and everything. And here we go. We have about 6 people working on a large honey co-packing job. 13,000 pounds of honey had to be jarred for this distribution deal that our client had. This must have took a week. We specialize in oil and vinegar and hot sauces and things of that nature. That's what our bottling line is made for. But honey, we cannot run through our bottling line. So this is more of a manual thing that we're getting better and better at. We did have 2 stainless steel conical containers feeding us, then into buckets, and from buckets into pails, pails into jars, and it worked. And here goes Joe setting up our manual filler. This is for the filling part of that small job you saw earlier getting labeled.